Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will give introduction to Ado.net. Ado.net is an object-oriented set of libraries that allows you to interact with data sources. Commonly, the data source is database, but it could be also be a text file, an Excel spreadsheet, or an XML file. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will look at Ado.net as a way to interact with database. As you are probably aware, there are many different types of database available. For example, there is a Microsoft SQL Server, Microsoft Access, or a Oracle. So let's see various data providers to access these databases. Ado.net data providers are class libraries that allows a common way to interact with specific data sources or protocols. The library APIs have prefixes that indicate which provider they support. So these are the various provider names and which API prefix is used to particular provider. There are various providers like ODBC, OLEDB, Oracle Data Provider, SQL Data Provider, and Borland Data Provider. And these are the various prefix used to access the APIs for this provider. One of the first Ado.net objects you will learn about is the connection object, which allows you to establish a connection to data source. If we were using the OLEDB data provider to connect to a data source that exposes an OLEDB interface, we would use a connection object named OLEDB connection. Similarly, the connection object name would be prefixed with ODBC or SQL for an ODBC connection object on an ODBC data source or SQL connection object on SQL Server database respectively. So this is all about introduction to Ado.net, which are the providers and which prefix is used to access that provider. In our example, we will use SQL connection because we are using SQL Server. So this is introduction to Ado.net. Thank you.